Hey guys, this is this week's workout for you. We've got another 4 weeks at least of lockdown here, so I want to keep my strong body and strong mind in check to cope with this current situation. Today's workout was actually 8 exercises, but I'm going to split it into 2 parts for you and show you 4 today. This is based around a push and pull. Again, I'm only going to do a couple of reps. So I was working with high numbers today, about 20 reps of everything. So we're going to start with a kneeling close arm row. Remember to connect with fingers 3, 4, 5 here to help encourage activation of the lats. And I'm doing this in kneeling because it's an odd position to work in, so creating more variability for your body. I then did a push pattern, which was a low squat, jump back to push up. So we start here in a low squat position, hands down, jump back, push up, jump in, low squats, push back, jump in. It was a safer landing, back, come in, going back, thinking of all your push-up technique. So that was our push pattern. Then had another pull pattern, which was actually in a side plank position. So coming into a long leg side plank, I've got 10 pulls with the upper arm, and then after I did 10, popped the leg over, dropped the hips down, and combined a pelvic drop or a hip drop with the row for 10 more repetitions here. So that was my second pull. Then my next push exercise was a pec fly. So here, again I did a combination. Very upright with the half kneel. And nice slow pec fly. Exhale. Inhale, release. Once I'd done 8 of those, so I've gone all dancery, counting to 8. And then took a low hover and did small pulses. So these pulses come high and low, around in like a rainbow shape. So the arms are doing this. So you can do 2 to 3 sets of these. You might want to change your weight as you go along as well. And then I'll pop up the next 4 exercises next week. And then myself today added in a little bit of skipping at the end. Enjoy these exercises. I hope this gives you some inspiration for lockdown. Remember, stay strong. We want a strong body and a strong mind. Hey guys, welcome back to some lockdown exercise. These are the next 4 exercises that formed part of my entire plan. So we're going to look at push and pull again. And we're starting sitting down with a wide row, which is a pull. So, sitting here, feet together, long spine, just going to have a tilt. I'm going to focus on concentric, which is the shortening. So slow, release quick, slow, release quick, slow. Now I did about 10 of these and then added in a few assisted roll downs and came up assisted by one arm. Curling down, assisted by one arm. So that was seated wide row, concentric bias, full roll down, and one arm comes back up again. My push exercise actually had my ankle tether on, doing overhead press. So I had it in a kneel. I did kneel, step, small hover, press. Kneel, varied footprint. So remember, variation's super important for the body and especially the dancing body. So I had this sort of north, coming back to a kneel each time, northeast, northwest foot, and then added in, flipped the band for a different vector hold, hover, and we've got a wide overhead press here. That was my push. obviously both sides. Coming back to pulling, and I take that one off. Came into it's a push-pull combo really. So a three-legged mini plank, or three support mini plank here. Pulling, 2, 3, and then jump the hands around, pulling from a different angle. Jump, then jumping the feet around again. So we've got lots of variation with where we're pulling, and the supporting arm gets lots of variation of how it's weight bearing as well. Then the last one was another push pattern, tricep bias. So holding a little further down, forward lunge, 2 triceps, tricep burpee. So remember, hands close for the tricep burpee. Sorry, I just got a tram. Then out, 2, tricep burpee, to the side, 1, 2, tricep burpee. Then I'm going to come across, diagonal, tricep burpee, across, tricep burpee, and then at the end, flip and come into an overhead tricep. So that was 2 north, 2 northeast, 2 east, 2 northwest, come all the way around, west, coming back south and flipping to overhead. So they were 4 more exercises that you can actually combine with the previous ones if you want to. See you next time for some more training inspo.